Hey guys, I'm just gonna jump right into how I did my makeup. First, I'm starting off by moisturizing my face a little bit with the Badescu's face spray in Lavender. And I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna apply some moisturizer. This one is by Clinique. It's the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And following up, I'll use some primer. This one is from Maybelline. It's the Master Prime, and it helps blur and smooth out my pores a little bit. So I'm just going to mostly put that where they're bigger. Following up with some foundation, I'm going to mix a little bit of the sample I had from Sephora of the Born This Way foundation. That in the Maybelline Superstay. I'm going to brush that over my face with a small brush and blend it all out with a sponge, with a beauty sponge. Almost said beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender. I don't want to get dragged. So yeah, I'm just putting that all over my face. I realize it looks pretty light and ghostly, but it's fine. We'll blend it out. We'll make it work. So for concealer, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain and putting that under my eyes, on my chin, forehead, my nose, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the same sponge that I did for my foundation. After concealer, I do put on my eyebrows using the Benefit Cabral, and I did not film it because it's a really long process. But after, I'm gonna follow up with some contouring, and I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick. And so yeah, I'm just putting that like on the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, a little bit on the sides of my nose. And then I'm taking this dual fiber brush from Real Techniques and blending that out. And then I'm just using my finger to blend out what I put on my nose and the sponge. After that, I'm just going to put some Hoola bronzer on where I put the contour, just to kind of set the contour. I'm not going to set the rest of my face with anything because I have really dry skin and it just makes me look like a cake face. So I just put it where the bronzer is so it doesn't look too patchy. And then I'm going to take my Becca highlighter, the cream one in the shade Opal, and just apply that on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, tip of my nose, you know, where you highlight. And then I think it was like a little too much, so I just blended it out with the sponge. And then to just set it and just add a little bit more brightness, I'm using this highlighter from the Carli Bybel palette. Alright, moving on to the eyes, I'm taking this kind of off-white shadow color and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid. Yeah, if you can see my lips moving in the video, it's because I was talking while I was doing my makeup, but I decided to do a voiceover. So for my crease color, I'm taking this brown color, this brown shade, and I'm just looking down and I'm really just focusing it on my crease, and that's it. And I'm blending upwards to like not get it on my eyelid, if that makes sense. So after that, I'm taking this gold color, also from the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm just packing that all over my eyelid, and honestly just staying like right below where I put the brown color. And yeah, packing it on there will help the color come out a little bit more pigmented. I don't know why I couldn't think of that, but yeah. Then after that, I'm taking the same brush that I had earlier and I'm just kind of blending out the edges so it's not like a rough line between the brown and the gold. I wanted a smoother transition. And then I'm taking this short flat shader brush to go underneath my bottom lash line, and yeah, I use the same brown color that I put in my crease. After that, I'm just taking this flat little foundation brush to clean up the mess. Now I'm curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler, and then I'm going to put some mascara on. That's the Loreal Telescopic mascara. I'm just applying a thin coat of that. And then I'm going to throw on some falsies. I don't know why I was holding them both up, but I chose the ones on the left, the Kiss Lashes in number 11. And yeah, I really like how those look. I forgot to set my eyebrows earlier, so I'm just doing that now. I'm using the Sonia Kashuk Clear Brow Mascara from Target. And then for my lips, I'm taking this lip liner from BH Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Sandy. So I'm lining my lips with that. And actually I'm just kind of filling in my whole, I'm filling it all in. And then after I fill in my lips with that, I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm just kind of applying that on top for more color, I guess. And then finally, last thing on the lips, I'm taking this lip plumper from e.l.f. in the color Champagne Glam. It's really pretty. It has like little glitter specks in it, but it's not like too glittery when you put it on your lips, but you can see it in the bottle whenever you're holding it. And yeah, following up, just setting my skin with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and then more of that Mario Badescu lavender spray, and I'm gonna put my hair up, and that's it. Alright, so yeah, I went ahead and just put on my bottom mascara off camera, and I put my hair in a bun. I'm glowing, y'all. You know what? I'm just gonna put some highlighter on my chest, my collarbones, and right here. Ooh, you know what? Ooh, okay. I'm going crazy because I can't help it. I'm sorry. You see it? Ooh. Let me stop. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.